Intertoys is a leading toys retailer in the Netherlands. Mariska and Stefan, the e-commerce team at Intertoys, have been working with CartUp AI for a year now. Intertoys was our launching customer in October 2020. Let's see after a year what Stefan and Mariska have to say about working with CartUp AI, and they've just renewed for a new year of service.
I'm Mariska. I'm e-commerce manager at Intertoys.
And my name is Stefan Mulders. I am e-commerce program manager at Intertoys.
We did everything manually, so every widget on our website was manually work for our colleagues. So a lot of work, and also the bundling, of course. We all had to search products together to make a good combination.
Yeah, and as a result of that, we only had a few products online which had a bundle or a recommendation. And together with CartUp AI, most of our products have a bundle. All of our products have alternatives. So it really saves us a lot of manual work, and it gives the customer a lot of extra choice, so to say. We achieved a lot of reduction in manual labor. So our colleagues were very happy that they didn't have to upgrade every single carousel by hand, and that was basically a daily and a weekly chore for them. Yeah, and I think looking at the business case that we made beforehand, the growth there is in line with what we have expected. The user interaction, especially when you look at the customer journey when it comes to bundles, but also the viewed recommendations to the customers, have also uplifted the customer experience as a whole on our site.
We now have, of course, personal recommendations everywhere across the site.
Like a big alternative to the existing providers that we knew of that only would deliver either bundles or either some kind of personalization widgets. The promise of CartUp AI was that it had everything in one package. But what exceeded our expectations was that the responsiveness of the business behind the product, so of the CartUp colleagues, every single issue we ran into was picked up like a first or top priority issue and was resolved quickly. Yeah, and the good thing is that we have the control on the level that we choose to have control. So if we do not do anything, it's being done automatically. Yeah. And if we want to interact with it and add some manual additions to carousel, for example, we can do that as well.
So to close off, is there anything else you want to share about our service or about our product or about working with us that you haven't done so far?
You guys think along and working really good together with us. So good job.